In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use AI to write emails in Mailchimp, step by step, so you can save time, create better copy faster, and make your email marketing workflow much easier. This is a great feature if you want help with subject lines, email body text, or quick rewrites without starting from scratch every time. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open your web browser and go to Mailchimp. Once the site loads, sign into your Mailchimp account as usual. After you're inside your dashboard, go to the email editor for the campaign you want to work on. This is where you'll build or edit your email content. Next, click on the text box inside your email layout. This is important because Mailchimp's AI tools are usually available when you're actively editing text. With the text box selected, look at the text editing toolbar. In that toolbar, click Write with AI. When you do that, Mailchimp will open its AI writing assistant, which is designed to help generate email copy based on your prompt and settings. Once the AI panel opens, you can type in what you want it to write, or guide it with the kind of message you need. You can also select a tone for the content generation. For example, you might want it to sound friendly, professional, promotional, or conversational, depending on the type of email you're sending. Choosing the right tone helps the AI create copy that better matches your brand voice and your audience. After that, Mailchimp will generate a few choices for you. Take a moment to review the options carefully and compare them. Some versions may be more direct, while others may sound more polished or more casual. So pick the one that fits your email best. Once you find the version you like, click Apply. That inserts the AI-generated text directly into your email, where you can make any final edits if needed. From there, you can continue refining the rest of your email and move forward with your campaign. And that's really all there is to it. In just a few clicks, you can use AI to write emails in Mailchimp, speed up your writing process, and create content that's easier to manage and edit. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.